Okay, this is just a Canvas help video, something that I would highly recommend, especially since a lot of your courses are online or at least have an online component to them this semester. First thing I want to show you, and this is in financial accounting, is how to sync your calendar. So if you do this, you can send yourself a message or an email with a link in it. And if you click on that link, it will sync your calendar from Canvas to your phone. And this is a universal setting, so like any assignments that you have for any classes will go from your Canvas shell to your phone. And this includes, it's a feed, so this includes if anything changes. So if you go over to Calendar, and this computer decides to go, and you click on Calendar Feed over here to the right. And if you just copy and paste this and just email it to yourself, if I copy it, and I'm not going to do it because I don't need to, I already have mine synced, but if you just copy and paste that and email it to yourself, and click on it on your phone, your emails come to your phone, then it will sync your calendar and it will sync anything that you have checked. So you want to make sure to check box all of your classes here. Anything you're in right now, you want to make sure you won't have nearly as many as I do. But anything that you want on your calendar feed, you want to mark so that it puts it onto your calendar. The other thing I want to show you is how to set up notifications. So if you go to Account, and you go to Notifications, this again is a universal setting, so this won't just be for financial accounting. If you do this, it'll work for all of your classes that use Canvas. And what you can see here is a list of everything that Canvas is willing to notify you of. So everything, mine will be a little different because I'm a teacher, but everything that can be, so every time a grade is posted, or every time course content is changed, or every time there's an announcement, or every time discussion posts happen, anything like that. And you can set the frequency with which you want to be notified. So right away means as soon as it's done in the class, you get notified. Daily means at the end of the day, it sends you one email with a summary of all the stuff that happened during the day. Weekly, similar, at the end of the week, it sends you one email with everything that happened during the week. So this is your frequency here. This would be right away, daily, summary, weekly, or not at all. So you can set those up. You want to make sure that your email address is correct here. And if it's not, you want to go to profile settings. And you can, right here, it says ways to contact. You can add contact methods. You can put a personal email address in here. You can put your phone number in here for text message updates. It's kind of up to you. But I highly recommend this because then whenever something happens in class, you can get notified, depending on how frequently you choose it to be. But you can get notified of those changes. And like I said, this is a universal setting, so it would work not just for your financial accounting class, but also for any other class that is using Canvas. So just thought that might be helpful.